Winner of the 30th annual Greater Jacksonville Kingfish Tournament. A great friend of mine, Russell Stewart, Seafood Kitchen. Tournament just ended.
All right, so, you know, you said it was sleepless nights. How does it feel to finally take your breath? We got a good chance. I'll be asleep by 8 o'clock tonight from there. And it's just great. It's unbelievable. I had the best food I've had in 3 years. Perfect.
What was it like out there today?
I didn't run far. I didn't go farther than 12 miles. I wouldn't get a chance to try it again. I already burned 358 gallons. I didn't want to get here. Yeah. Now, as far as your redemption from last week, I just asked you that was sweet. I was going to get Sam on the phone. With him on the boat, that's why we didn't catch any fish. Sam's a black cloud. Kind of a good luck charm. Great luck charm. Take him anytime he wants to go.
We like the black cloud.
Yeah. What's this? What do you do tonight now to celebrate? How much does this mean? I'm waiting for my crew to get here. It's like and we'll sit down and have some beers. No, because it's more than one run. And then about 12:30 started blowing, so I figured I'll watch the game about 1. So like every time out there, like in the NBA Finals, you always hear about next year. You're talking about the win this year. Are you looking forward to next year's Kingfish tournament? No, not even thinking about it. We got one in the Golden Isles, I think August 15th. After that, we're going to Keys Tuesday for lobster. Taking a couple weeks off. We're doing this time for 3 years. Oh, longer than that.
That video. Good friend of mine.
Do you have a spot on the wall? What are you going to do with this guy?
Probably go in the seafood kitchen.
He's the winner of the big fish.
47?
Yeah, 40, 45, 11-2 or whatever it is.
That's the first time I've seen him looking
Russell Stewart Seafood Kitchen.
We had a Cobia yesterday. I knew there was Cobia.
He's always in the top money.
Yeah, I wouldn't have had it on there. But he was still a nice one. That's it. Good. Congrats. Tell Sam to tighten up. Get a hold of me.
Good job, Russell. Tell me something about Seafood Kitchen.
Seafood Kitchen is Atlantic Beach. Let's see how we say it. Beach Road Chicken Dinners. It's been there forever, and we have a great clientele. And Ocean Wave sunglasses are the only ones I wear.
Good job, man. Congratulations on winning the 30th annual Greater Jacksonville Kingfish Tournament.
Thank you.